this is our first session, and we now the first session onward. I'm having that comfortable approach with you. That is only because of your learning style, teaching style. As
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Tell me about the last party that you hosted, sir. How was it?
so, last party that I hosted was my marriage anniversary.
Wow.
So yeah, so I throw a party. I threw a party
Yes.
uh, with my family members and colleagues, and it was not at my home because the invitees were more in numbers.
Okay.
So I booked a hotel
Okay.
restaurant where we planned out everything. What will be in our starter? What will be in our main course and after dessert? And what I'll give them after when they will be leaving the place. All these things I planned and I executed it well. So it
Wow.
was on my marriage anniversary. Yeah.
Wow. And when did you host this party, sir?
I hosted it in April,
In April. In
yeah,
April.
4 5 months back. Yeah,
Okay. Wow. And so, how did you feel? Did you feel that did all the guests enjoy the party?
yeah. They enjoyed it well, and one odd thing happened in my party. I would say what happened in my in that party. All of a sudden, when party was about to complete or uh, finish,
Mm-hmm.
at that moment, all of a sudden, weather got totally changed. So all of a sudden, the rain started. It was started raining, and the thunderstorms,
Uh-huh.
kind of very, uh, you can say, all of a sudden that weather changed, and we tried because that party I organized in a lawn outside the restaurant. So
Oh.
there was no shade on our head. So
Oh.
we tried to just get inside the restaurant, and yeah, after half an hour, the rain stopped, and then we went back to our home.
Right, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
you painted a very good picture. I understood everything very clearly. Okay, sir. Just
but
one small correction,
yeah,
sir. Okay, sir. So you
yeah,
said
yeah.
it was started raining.
Okay.
So was is not required. Was
It
is
it
required.
it started raining. Yeah,
Yes, sir. It started
yeah,
raining.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Right, right, right. I
Okay.
got it.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and you said all of sudden. Okay, sir. You can say
Okay.
all of a sudden. All of a sudden.
All of a sudden, okay,
Yes. All of a sudden it started raining.
raining. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
it was not a hypothetical situation. It was a real situation. That is why I driven it powerfully. Otherwise, I need to think a lot before creating a hypothetical
Yes,
situation.
sir. That's why I
It,
see my main objective is to make you feel comfortable, right, sir? The moment I
yeah, yeah,
understood
yeah,
your concern, I changed my
yeah,
approach. You saw my style.
yeah,
This is my style. My
yeah.
main objective is to make you feel happy and comfortable and enjoy the learning
Uh,
process.
I really loved your style of teaching. Yeah,
Thank you so
the
much,
way
sir.
you make the learner comfortable is, I'll say, tremendously well. It is not. Uh, I'm not feeling any kind of like I'm having session first time with you, because
Right,
when you are actually, if I have 2 3 sessions with you, then I'll become comfortable with you. But
right.
this is our first session, and we are now the first session onward. I'm having that comfortable approach with you. That is only because of your learning style, teaching style. As
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I
yeah.
also feel very good vibes from your side. That also helps me,
Thank you.
when I get the good vibes. So I really
Yeah,
like
yeah.
teaching in the midst of good vibes. So thank you so much, sir. And so
Thank you.
tell me, sir, like, so that was the last part. So what did you do after the rain ended?
After rain ended, we had actually we we left with our this thing, ice cream. The last thing was ice cream that I organized for everybody who were available in my party. So yeah, after the rain stopped, we had our ice cream. Then we gifted some small kind of stuff to everybody, and we came back to our home. It
Wow.
was
Great.
like that.
So how did you feel when you came back, sir, about the party since you were responsible for organizing it? How did you feel, sir?
I felt it very good. I felt it very good because it went very nicely, and at the end of the this thing party, everybody was happy or were happy.
Everybody was happy because
Everybody was happy because everybody considered to
it's
be singular
singular.
noun.
Every when you
Okay,
use every means singular. Okay, sir.
okay, got it. So everybody was happy and content. They were yeah, it was a good party. So
Great.
yeah, at the end of the day, that satisfaction matters. That everybody enjoyed it. So yeah. So
Absolutely.
at the end of this, we are at the end of the session. I would
Yes,
like
sir.
to have feedback, a
Yes, sir.
complete feedback from your
So,
end.
one error before that. I felt it very good. Okay, sir. So it will
Okay,
be I felt very good, not it. Okay, sir.
okay, okay.
Sir,
I felt very good. Okay,
you speak very well, sir. So whatever you said,
okay,
I could see it in front of my eyes. Grammatical
okay,
errors were very less, sir. Very less. Two, three grammatical
okay,
errors. Rest 98% of the time the grammar was good. Okay, sir. So
okay,
don't worry
okay,
about
sir.
that. So keep the practice on, sir. Just keep the practice on, and the vocab that are in cosmopolitan, you need to work on vocab. Okay, sir. So next class
Right,
we will
right.
work on vocab also. Cosmopolitan
Sure,
environment.
sure,
And your English will improve. Okay, sir. Don't worry. Okay,
sure,
sir.
sure, sure,
So
sure.
lovely talking to you, sir. And I would love to talk to you
Same
again.
here.
Okay,
Sure,
sir.
sure. I look forward to have more sessions with you. Yeah, sure.